In this video, we are going to be discussing the free ways to download free books on Kindle Paperwhite. So these are the easiest way to get free books on Kindle, and the first one is going to be BookBub. And this BookBub is a free service that specializes in getting free discontinued ebooks for the hands of readers, so you can simply get that knowledge completely for free. Then we have Stuff Your Kindle Day. So these platforms are going to be allowing you to provide free of cost books, so you can head over to Libby and Prime Reading for more of the free books. So some of these platforms are going to be providing you old books, some are going to be offering new ones, and you can get a few latest books completely, you can say, like free of charges and even very very low prices. So this is how simple it is going to be, and thank you so much. See you in the next video.